So Joseph is a resident of the Mary Gardens, also is a member of AMEC. So just as a representative of the residents, we want to give some of his thoughts.
Good morning, everybody. I will speak Chinese. That's in the our leader help me to translate in English. Thanks very much.
So about the every year's electric bill, so generally it's around $30, but in this cold season it will up to $80 per month. To the low-income senior, it's really a burden. But right now we install solar panel on our roof that will generate the electricity to every resident. So even the extra electricity can be sold back to the grid. So this thing to them is a really big thing. So our apartment solar project is advocated by the APEN and work with the management together to make this done today. And 4 years ago, I tried APEN as a member. Even though I'm old, I'm still try to do as best as I can to fight for environmental justice.